here we are. There's 13 of us. We didn't even need a cart that they supply here at my niece's school, Dominican College. We just basically, everybody grabbed a box or grabbed 2 bags, and with that it's more than enough. And we are her movers. It's an emotional day, but we came through, and we're excited for the process.
Got some good shots. Look at Jessie.
We're coming in. All right, so Jocelynn's gonna check in, and then we're gonna go upstairs. She's on the top floor. We're gonna go upstairs. Let me see it, my love. Fix the thingies on the bottom of it. Just a little bit. So it doesn't look. Alright. We did a couple of different pieces for Jocelynn's dorm. We just want her to have a piece of us here in her room, and this is what we did. And so some of them got a little bit beat up on the way, but still in all, there's some pictures in there, and it's really the thought that counts. I'm confident that no one else will have some of her things. Okay, yes, we roll deep, so there's a lot of us here, and you probably can't see any of the doors.
If I leave me, I come here to say hi to her, I come take a bag every day.
There just seems to be a lot of us in here as everybody starts walking out. We'll, there you can see a little. She's chilling like a villain now.
College and it's college, yeah. College shit.
Are we gonna eat something?
Can we take the garbage down? We gotta go where you went. Where did you go?
We're gonna take the garbage. We went to get this. It's like 7 miles.
Let's see what room she has.
No, the coffee's downstairs.
Really clean dorm. We did it.
It's just more wanting to get out of the house. There's the difference.
We're taking out the boxes.
Yeah.
Let's take all these boxes back to the dumpster. Thank you. This was a very different video than the ones I usually post, as I'm sharing with you here my family and a very intimate look at Jocelynn's journey, getting her room together and bringing in all of her things. It was exciting, it was emotional, there were some tears, but we're so proud and excited. So thank you for being a part of that journey. And if you have any tips on room decor, DIYs, back to school, that kind of thing, please share them with us. I will be including in the description box a link to the tutorials for some of the pieces that I did for this video. So please share and like it and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.